Good morning, class 12s. This video is on the sum on positive trading on equity. What is positive trading on equity? When a highly leveraged company. What is the meaning of highly leveraged company? See this diagram. In the second company, it is highly leveraged. Why? Because debt component is more than the equity component in the capital structure. So trading on equity is a concept where highly leveraged companies will yield a higher EPS, earnings per share. A highly leveraged company will yield a higher EPS. Now let's go to the sum again. The first step in the sum will be finding out ROI. How will you find out ROI? The EBIT will be given and the total capital will be given. So EBIT divided by total capital into 100 will be your ROI. Then you will compare the ROI with the rate of interest, which will also be given. If you see that the ROI is greater than the rate of interest, then you can say that this company will result in higher EPS in situation 3, which is highly leveraged. In situation 2 also, there is an amount of leverage because of which the EPS has risen. Second step is, you will start the sum as such. You will write all the 3 situations, or if there are 2 situations, 2. Start with EBIT. First, deduct the interest. You will know the amount of debt. Calculate 10% or 20% or 5%, whatever is given, and subtract the interest. From that amount, subtract the tax. Tax rate will also be given. If it is not given, you can take it as 30%. The remaining profit is assumed to be distributed among all equity shares. There comes the EPS calculation. The remaining profit will be divided by the number of equity shares. How will you find out the number of equity shares? Amount of equity capital divided by 10. Here again there will be one assumption that the face value of the shares are rupees 10. So in the first case, 2,80,000 divided by 3 lakh. Second case, 2,10,000 divided by 2 lakh. And last case, 1,40,000 divided by 1 lakh shares. So earnings per share has risen as the debt component has risen. So this proves that if the ROI is greater than the interest on debt, the company will gain in EPS. Thank you.